Hello, everyone. Are you ready for some super fun? Today, we're going to dive into the magical world of making our very own beaded bracelets. It's like turning colorful little treasures into sparkling jewelry you can wear every day. It's so easy and fun. Even your favorite teddy bear or your cuddly toy might want one to show off. First things first, let's gather our sparkling treasures. You'll need a whole bunch of colorful beads any colors your heart desires. Think shiny, sparkly beads, round beads, and maybe even some shaped like adorable stars, hearts, and maybe even some special rainbow-colored ones. Next, we need some string. You can use stretchy string, which is super easy to work with, or even some vibrant, colorful yarn. And finally, you'll need a pair of scissors to carefully snip the string. And it's always a good idea to have a grown-up nearby to lend a helping hand. Alright, let's get started on our adventure. First, it's super important to measure your wrist. Take your string, and wrap it gently around your wrist. Make sure it's not too tight, like a hug. Once you've found the right size, add an extra inch or two. This little bit of extra string is super important. It gives you enough room to tie the bracelet comfortably, and allows for a little bit of wiggle room. Now, grab those scissors, and ask a grown-up to help you cut the string. Remember, safety first. Always have a grown-up's help with scissors. Now comes the most exciting part, beading. This is where your creativity gets to shine. Hold one end of the string, and with gentle hands, start sliding those colorful beads on. You can create all sorts of super fun patterns. Maybe you want red, then blue, then red, then blue, all the way around. Or maybe you want a rainbow of colors, or maybe even a pattern of hearts, stars, and circles. It's your bracelet, so you get to decide. Let your imagination run wild and create a unique design that is perfect for you. Keep adding those beads until your string is almost full. Make sure you leave a little bit of space at the end, so you can tie your bracelet together. Once you're done beading, it's time to tie the bracelet. This is where you might want to call for your grown-up helper. Gently tie the ends of the string together, making a strong and secure knot. If you're using stretchy string, you might want to tie a few knots to make it extra secure, just to be sure your bracelet is nice and strong. Yay! You've done it. You made a beautiful, handmade bracelet. Isn't it absolutely wonderful? You can wear it with pride, give it to a best friend, or keep it as a special treasure. You can even make bracelets for your whole family. They're sure to love them, and it will be a wonderful reminder of the special time you spent creating together. Here's a special secret to make your bracelet even more amazing. You can add a charm. A little heart charm, a cute animal charm, a special letter charm, or anything that makes you smile and feel happy. Simply slide the charm onto the string before you tie the knot, adding that extra touch of magic. You can find super cute charms at a craft store, a toy store, or even online. It's like adding a little bit of extra sparkle and personality to your creation. Remember, making beaded bracelets is all about having fun, being creative, and letting your imagination soar. There's no right or wrong way to do it, so don't be afraid to experiment with different colors, patterns, and charms. Just let your imagination run wild, and enjoy the process of creating something beautiful and unique. So, go ahead and gather your colorful beads and your string, and let's get crafting. Happy beading, little artists.